my name's Amanda, and I am a colorful still life oil painter. I just started making these super cute tote bags with my art on them, and I've gotten some requests to show how I make them. First, you need to get some fabric heat transfer paper. It is specifically for light colored fabrics. Next, you need some tote bags. This is a pack I found on Amazon. They are 100% cotton and a good size for carrying things. So first, I start off by laying out the scan of my painting that I want to transfer in Photoshop. The transfer paper is 8.5 by 11, so I make a document that is that size and at least at 300 dpi, so the resolution is clear enough for the print. I size my scan to 8 by 8. This is just my preference for how big I want it on the tote bag. Lastly, I save it as a JPEG. Next, I print it on my Canon Pixma Pro 200 printer. To print, just right-click on the JPEG and click Print. Make sure you select the correct paper size and paper type. I personally like to use the lightweight photo paper setting. When I filmed this, I think I messed up a little bit on my camera settings, so the focus is a little off. Once my printer is done printing, I carefully cut off the excess. I use the Dahle 507 paper cutter. I really like this one because the blade is self-sharpening, so the cut is always super clean. Next, grab an iron and set it to cotton. If you are extra fancy, you can use a heat press. I like to iron the bag a little bit before starting to transfer to make sure the surface is flat with no wrinkles. Next, take the transfer paper and carefully peel the back off. It is easiest to do this starting at one of the corners. This transfer paper comes with a thin sheet to put over your design while ironing. For this transfer paper, using an iron, it suggests to iron for 5 minutes. Once 5 minutes is up, I like to check the corners and make sure they are secure. If not, I go over them for 15 more seconds. In the description, you will find links to all the supplies I used, so please refer to that. And that's how I put my art on cute tote bags. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and thanks so much. Bye!